So the new laptops are out. I Ubered mine. This is the 2023 M3 MacBook Pro. That was difficult to say. Now the last Mac laptop I had was a 2019 MacBook Pro. When Apple released the M1 chips, I did all my editing with an M1 Mac Mini. And when Apple announced the M1 Studios, I went and did all my editing with this. This thing has been the best desktop I've ever bought. But I'm being forced onto the road in the next year, so I need a laptop. I don't know, does Apple still include stickers with every single computer? Ooh, they're black now. That looks pretty cool. Do any of you guys read this? 140 watt charger. Black MagSafe cable. In retrospect, they should have made this black. Time for the moment of truth. Oh, this is not sticky. I can't believe I paid $4,000 for this. But look at that, that just looks amazing. It matches Monty. With this laptop, you get an HDMI output, Thunderbolt 4, and an SD card reader. On the opposite side, you get MagSafe 3, 2 more Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a audio jack. I didn't think audio jacks existed anymore. Ooh, I do like that. I've only been touching it for about 5 minutes, and there's fingerprints all over it. Boo! Let's fire it up. Oh, hello. I didn't even have to turn it on. It just, that's pretty cool. It still has this thing on it though, so let's. I've never used a 16-inch MacBook Pro. This looks amazing. I'll be honest with you, the screen on this laptop between the 2019 version that I had and now is just, it is miles apart. It's just stunning. But the problem I have is that my eyesight's going and this screen's too small. Still. Now, I've done a bit of typing with it, and I think the 2019 version of my laptop still had the butterfly keyboard, which was just an absolute disaster. I had a 2017 version of the laptop, and yeah, I think it was like the Q would not work anymore. I had the keyboard replaced 4 times on that machine. This keyboard, still feels kind of a little jammy, we'll say, gummy. Now in Apple's event film, one of the things that just like snuck by was like the 6-speaker system. So I'm kind of curious to know what this thing sounds like. Do a choice selection from Banger 2023. Ooh. Feels like I can actually hear different instruments at different places. The 6-speaker system is just, this is so cool. Oh, that is impressive. Next thing I want to try are the microphones. Apparently there's 3 of them and they're like studio formed microphones. All I'm going to do is use Final Cut and we're going to read this. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Setup Assistant helps you get along and get blah blah blah. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Setup Assistant helps you get along and get blah blah blah. Did you guys hear the difference between this mic and that mic? Which one sounded better? Let me know in the comments section. So all in all, like, I love the finish, I love the form factor. Like, it just feels good in my hand. It's odd. I don't like the fingerprinting. It seems really, really pronounced on this device. So I'm gonna do 2 more videos with this. First one, I'm gonna test the battery life. Apple claims that there's 22 hours of battery life, so yeah, we're gonna figure out if that's true. And the second thing that Apple said is that the processing speed doesn't change if it's on battery or not. Did you guys see that part in the event film? So I'm gonna test that as well. And I guess the last thing I have to test is just how much faster or slower my Mac 1 Studio is compared to this M3 Pro. So I guess 3 videos I'm gonna have to do in the next week. First time watching my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. I'm a product reviewer, not an influencer, so I don't get paid to make any of the videos. Definitely gonna do a lot more accessory reviews for this product because this thing is cool. Thanks for watching.